Divya, hi Minu, how are you guys? Very good afternoon. It's almost 3:30. Hi everyone, hi Rava, hi Shivani, hi Komal. So first of all, a very happy Navratri to each one of you and your family. So in today's live, we are going to show you all the items which are ready to dispatch, plus the requested ones. The customer requested in the last live that they want to see some budget-friendly items, and I'm going to show you that as well, under 6,000, under 10,000, and under 40,000 as well. So we have a lot of options today, and all these options that I'm going to show you now, all are ready to dispatch. So if you want to order, if you want to place an order by today, so you'll get in 2 to 3 days delivery. And if you're based in Calcutta, then 1 day 2 delivery. So let's start. Hi Nusha, hi Rupa. So नवरात्रि कैसे चल रही है आप सबकी? Okay, now I'll start. I'm going to show you for the very first one, and as you all know, Navratri means 9. It goes for till 9 days. So we have this Navratna stone, which has 9 stones, and I'll show you this one. This is a set. It's a pendant and a earring. So I'll show you that first. This one, as you all can see, it's a Navratna stone set, which comes with a pendant and earring. This is a tag, so just ignore this. So yeah, this is a, as you all can see, this is a earring. It's a stud which comes with the pendant. This is how the pendant looks like. It's a Navratna stone pendant set, and as you all can see, it has got like total 9 stones. I'm going to show you how this earring, the stud looks. This is how the stud looks. As you all can see, and I'm going to show you the pendant as well, so that आपको clear दिखे and everything. This is the pendant, and this is the earring. It's a Navratna set which comes with pendant and earring. And price for the whole set is only 35,500, which comes with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. And I'm going to show you the back side of this stud. This comes with the Bombay screw. This is how the stud looks. It's very pretty though. This is how it looks. The 9 stones and the pendant. This is the pendant, which comes with a ring. So you all can आप इसको किसी भी चेन के साथ आप पहन सकते हो. So I'll just show you just as an example. So you can like pair this with any chain or mala if you have any. This is how it looks, which comes with the stud. Sorry. So yeah. So price is only 35,500, which comes with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. And this item is ready to dispatch. We have this another piece. It's very similar. I'll show you that later. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you this cream pearl earring, which is very budget friendly for those working for under 6,000. This is for them. This is the cream pearl earring, which is in dangle. This comes in a dangle pattern. It's very easy to wear. I'll show you how this thing you can wear it. So this is the earring, and the back, which comes with the dangle thing. It's very easy to wear, So yeah, this is how you can wear it. And I'll show you. पीछे से आप इसको टाइट करके you can adjust and there you go. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna show you on the right side as well. This is the earring, and this is how it's going to look. This is how the total it looks, and this is a cream pearl earring. This price for this is only 5,500. It's a very budget friendly. I told you, for those or for a budget friendly, and this was our customer request live video. She wanted to see some budget friendly jewelry. I don't know if she's attending this live or not, but yeah. If you are not able to attend the live videos, or if you want to share it with your friends, after the live video we definitely post the live videos, so you can go ahead in our feeds and you can see them. So this is how cream pearl earring looks like, and price for this is only 5,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this, or if you want to customize this earring. As this is ready to dispatch, we are going to dispatch in today if you order today. Delivery in 2-3 days. 5,500 is the price for this earring. We have some rings I'm going to show you for those of festive occasion. So आज का जो लाइव था it's totally based on Navratri special. So yeah, price of earring I will come with that. Okay, next I'll show you this lilac beads choker, and it's a very pretty color. It's my favorite color, of course. And yeah, this one is a lilac beads choker with the pendant. It comes with the choker. Price for this is only 12,000. So as you all can see, you can take a screenshot for this choker if you want to place an order for this, as this is ready, and if you order today we are going to dispatch today, so you get it delivery in 2-3 days. Take a screenshot of this choker if you want to place an order for this. This price is only 12,000. Now next, the ring that I'm wearing on my left hand, this one, as you all can see, this is Navratna stone adjustable ring, so you do not have to worry about the size and everything etc. It's so easy कि आप इसको gift के लिए भी दे सकते हो, if you're looking for a gift purpose. And if it's ring, then definitely you should go ahead with this. Why? Because again, ये adjustable है, तो आपको size का problem नहीं होगा. The next thing is that this has 9 stones, which is called as Navratna stone, and people love Navratna stone no matter what. So you can go ahead with this ring, which also has pearls. You know, this has pearls as well, and this is totally adjustable. So you all can like take a screenshot of this ring if you want to place an order. Price for this ring is only 14,500. 14,500. So you can take a screenshot to place an order, as this is ready to dispatch, and all India shipping is 270, which Blue Dart charges. So yeah, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. 14,500 is the price of this ring. Now next I'll show you this beautiful choker, which has neon pink beads and semi-precious stones. So I'll show you that. Hi, hello. Okay, so yeah, this one. This is a beautiful choker with neon pink beads and green stone as well. Red stone also comes with the pastel drop beads. So you all can take the screenshot of this choker. It's a beautiful choker, and you can match with any outfit you want, be it your sari, be it your kurta, or especially for brides as well. Just give a new shadi for those newlyweds. You can give this to her. This is perfect one. Price is only 37,500. So take a screenshot of this one. 37,500 is the price for this. Okay. Now next is this Navratna set choker, which comes with the earring, and it's beautiful, of course, because today it's a Navratri, so we thought of showing all the Navratna stone pendant choker set and everything. So yeah, as is the auspicious day. Anyways, so yeah, I just okay, this one. This is a Navratna stone pendant set, which comes with a choker and earring. And the earring comes with a Bombay screw, so it's very easy. I'll show you the earring, how it works. This comes with a Bombay screw, so it's very easy to wear as well and to carry. So this is how it looks. And I'll show you the whole earring thing. अगर आपको सिर्फ earring भी चाहिए, you can DM us by taking a screenshot of that earring so that I can send you the details for only earrings if you want to order. This is how the earring looks. So you can take a screenshot of the earring as well. And the choker, of course. So price for this whole set is only 42,000, which comes with a choker and earring. It's a very beautiful wear because it has rhinestones, so it's obvious. Take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this, as this is ready to dispatch. Delivery in 2-3 days. 14 karat gold with BIS on it. Next I'll show you the sleeve pattern, which is a dangle earring, of course. And again, this is a budget friendly. So this one, as you all can see, this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, 59.5% purity of gold. And I'll show you how this earring actually looks. So I told it's very easy to wear. That's it. This is how it looks. And it's very cute, you know. आप किसी को अगर gift भी करोगे ना, they're gonna love it because of course anyways आप यहाँ से देख लो. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this earring if you want to place an order. And next I'll show you this one, which comes with the dangle shape. It's in a leaf pattern. It's very beautiful as well. So I can take a screenshot of this earring, and this is the most requested live video for this kind of earring because last live maybe there was 2 customers who wanted to see this earring, and hence this is restock, and they've been like dying to see it. Like, okay, we're gonna do the live for this one especially. So yeah, you can take a screenshot of this earring to place an order, as this is ready to dispatch, and we have more items as well in this same similar items. So yeah, price for this is only 5,500. So it's very easy and easy to wear, easy to carry, plus budget friendly. So what do you all need? So yeah, price is only 5,500 for this earring. And next earring that we have is this Japanese beads earring, which has polki stone, and it's very pretty, of course. I'll just show you. Just ignore the bags. The stones are semi-precious, the beads are semi-precious, and all these are polki stones with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So you can take a screenshot. price is only 5,500. So I'll just show you how it looks overall. So this is how it's going to be looking if you wear it, as this is in a dangle pattern. So yeah, I can take a screenshot of this earring. Maybe I'll just take it together. That will be fine. $5,500 is the price for this. Now next is this one, the choker that I'm wearing, and I think the customer has commented as well. She wanted to see the choker. So yeah, this choker, this is pure 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and the stones are semi-precious and polki stone as well, which comes with the red stone and green stone. So I'll just show you how this choker actually looks for the details and everything. The details, because after I have showed you the wearing thing already. Let me show you this. Yeah. So this is how it looks, and wait a second. It's very pretty. आप किसी ग्रैंड ओकेशन में भी पहन सकते, स्पेशली फॉर द ब्राइड्स. इसके लिए बहुत सारे हम लोग को रिक्वेस्ट आया था, स्पेशली फॉर द ब्राइड्स वन. दे वांटेड टू सी अ choker that she can wear it on a grand occasion. So yeah, you can take a screenshot of the choker. So this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Comes with polki stone and other semi-precious stones, and this is perfect for any special or grand occasion. If you're looking for something like that, this is perfect one. And this is last piece in stock. So if you want to place an order, kindly take a screenshot and send us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down as a WhatsApp number. Price is only 40,000. So 40,000 is the price for this choker. Now next I'll show you. Again, this is also a choker which has red beads and green stone and some polki. So this is how it looks. This is red beads choker, and क्या है ना कि red and green always matches with your outfit, be it any color of your outfit. So this is like highly recommended for those. Red bead choker. Price is only 14,500. So you all can take a screenshot of this one if you want to place an order. And next we have this elegant ring that is perfect for any kind of party, be it cocktail party or festive occasion. So yeah, this you can definitely go ahead. So as perfect as I was thinking, so I'm going to show you this. This comes with the ruby stone and polki with the cocktail party look and festive occasion. This is perfect, and this is adjustable, so you do not have to worry about the size. This is very easy to wear. इसको अपने size के हिसाब से you can adjust, and perfect for the gift purpose. And as the share is coming, you can definitely go ahead by ordering this now, so that आपको 2-3 days में delivery मिल जाए. and price for this is only 17,500. 17,500 is the price for this ring. Take a screenshot if you want to place an order. Next we have this tulip earring. It's very cute and very cute. And for those who are looking for a minimalist earring, like थोड़ा सा basic में जाना चाहते हैं, but with a cute specific stones. So these are the ones. This is in tulip. I'll show you more close look. This is how it looks. And again, this is very easy to wear. I'll show you that. See, even the kids can wear this too because this is very cute and it's easy to carry as well. आप इसको even अपने formal outfits के साथ भी पहन सकते हो. So this is very cute and pretty and minimalist. So yeah, you can take a screenshot of this earring. Price is only 4,500. So as all can see, this is worth it and budget friendly, which comes with the 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So this is perfect. 4,500 is the price of this tulip pattern earring. Next we have this choker, and this is the last item that I'm going to show it on live. For those who have missed the live, you can see it later. We'll be posting the live videos. So yeah, this is 14 karat gold. It's sky blue choker with portly stone, as you all can see. And price for this is only 9,000. So this is also perfect for those who are looking for something in pastel and plus who love blue color. So this is the one, something unique, and this is budget friendly because the price is only 9,000 with 14 karat gold and BIS hallmark. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this choker. So that's it for today, guys. Again, for those who have missed our live, you can watch it later. We'll be posting it. And for the next live, we're gonna update you. Also, the जितने भी आज हमने ज्वेलरी दिखाया for है वो story be the choker, bead necklace or earring or ring. All these are ready to dispatch item. If you want to place an order, you can place it today or tomorrow so that you can get delivery in 2-3 days. Because next week से दुर्गा पूजा है. Obviously in Calcutta office will be closed, so it's better to place an order early by this week so that you can get it by the next week. So anyways, thank you for joining the live. Have a good day ahead.